Hello everyone, welcome back to continuations of our square root of surd. So if you look at this question, this one is minus. The previous one we saw was, that one is addition, while this one is subtractions. So please, let's solve this together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our channel so that we can do more. So look at these questions on the board. Find the square root of 170. I said this is what they call square roots. 170 minus 20 root 30. And your answer must be in form of root A plus root B. So using identity of surd. Identity of surd is this. When you have a square root of A plus B, this is minus. So it will be minus 2 root A times B. So solve this or simplify this to make an expression like this. That is what we want to do now. So let's see now. I told you make this as 2 roots. As you can see that this is 2. So you can solve that as root 170 minus, this can be 2 times 10 is 20. So root 30. So you're having 170 minus 2 times 10 is 20. We've done that before, which is 20. So take this 10 inside. 10 square and square roots. So if this 10 is coming inside as the square root, so it means that square roots can cancel square to have your 10. So we are going to bring this here, and 10 square is 100. So square root of 100 times 30. So at the end of the day, square root of 170 minus 2 roots 100 times 30, that is 3,000. As you can see it on the board. So think of two numbers. When I multiply, I have 3,000. When I add, I have 170. So what are the two numbers that you think of? So when you multiply, you have this. So when you add, you have 170. When you multiply, you have 3,000. So that is 150 and 20. So 150 plus 20 is 170. And 150 times 20 is 3,000. So we can actually write that as form of these expressions. 150 plus 20. In your exam, you can write 20 plus 150. You can write 150 plus 1. It's allowed in mathematics. So minus, as you can see now, 2 roots. Our 3,000 is 150 times 20. So meaning that A is 150 and B is 20. So the solution, you can conclude now that our solution is this. So the solution to the questions, solution is root 150 minus root 20. And if you like, you can also simplify them. If you can see that you can simplify, think of two numbers. One should be a perfect square, the other should be an ordinary number. So what can you think of? So one should be a perfect square, the other should be, what can go here? As you can see, you can do that as, okay, 150, this is 150. 2 in 150 is 75. 3 in 75. 3 here, you are having 2. Remember 1. 3 in 25, 5. You are having 5. 5 in 5, 1, 5. 5 here, 1. So the only perfect square we have there is 25 times 6. So I can use that. 25 times 6 minus, and here 2, 4 times 5. So square root of 25, 5 root 6, minus square root of 4, 2 root 5. So you can stop here, or you should also simplify to get your answer to stop here. 5 root 6 minus 2 root 5 as your final answer. So if you have been following us, try to solve this and put it on the comment sections. Try this. 31 minus 4 root 21. So just try this and put it on the comment section using the same identity of surd. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.